everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss collocations. Just read these words strong tea or powerful tea. Which one correct here? Strong tea. The next one is hard exam or heavy exam. The correct one is hard exam. Why? Because of collocations. Now let us see what are collocations. So here collocations a collocation is two or more words that often go together. These combinations just sound right to the native English speakers who use them all the time. For example, in English we usually say heavy rain. We never use the word strong rain or big rain. So this is wrong to say. Strong rain and big rain we never used to say. Though both are not grammatically incorrect, but both of these sounds out. Strong rain or big rain, we cannot say this. Now let us see some more examples. Can we say quick food? No, we can't. We usually say fast food. Though quick and fast are synonyms, but quick sound unnatural with food. In the same way, we say quick shower, not fast shower. Also, we can't say big traffic. Why? Because of collocation. Because big doesn't fit with the traffic. We say heavy traffic or terrible traffic, but not big. If you say big traffic, everybody understand that. What would you say? But native English speaker would never use the word big traffic or hard traffic together. You could say heavy traffic or terrible traffic. So what's the point here? Some words fit together and some words don't fit together. Like we say pretty girl, not a handsome girl. Because pretty goes natural with girl. So that's why we say some words fit together and some don't. Let's see some more examples. Can we say strong engine? No, we can't. We usually say powerful engine because powerful sound goes natural with engine. So collocation are words that naturally go together. So what are the points we have learned in collocation? A collocation is two or more words that often go together. This is a combination of two or more words that often go together. And here some words fit together, some words don't. And the collocation are words that naturally go together. Let us see the most common collocation in English. You almost certainly know many collocation already. These are everyday verbs like do, which is this everyday verb. Some someone a favor, do someone a favor, which is a collocation here. Do, which is a verb, your duty. This is the combination of verb is called collocation. Make, which is a verb, the bets. It is a combination of collocation. Make a mistake. Get in. Get confused. Have a break. So each of these has 10 of possible collocations. So you can see how common collocation are that everywhere in spoken English. All the collocation you have seen here, these are based on verbs. However, collocation can be based on any parts of a speech. For example, here are the types of collocation. A collocation can be any parts of a speech, like adverb plus adjective. Here we can say highly recommended, terribly hot, extremely significant. Here also the collocation can be adjective plus noun, a great achievement, a long journey, where journey is a noun, a regular exercise, and noun plus noun, like a slice of cake, a pile of laundry, round of applause. There are many more. The point is that the collocation are everywhere. To speak English naturally and fluently, you need to pay attention to them. So, what should you do? So, there are some points to know. How to find and learn the collocations? So, here there are some points to remember by reading widely and by listening to the native English speakers and by speaking the language. Having conversation with your friends will help you to find the collocation or to learn the collocation easily and by self correction. Now let us see how to remember collocations. So learning collocation is as the same as learning other vocabulary. The one should learn vocabulary from real life sources. For example, from reading articles, listening to songs and having conversation with friends. Don't learn the vocabulary by making a big list of words or dictionary. Use every vocabulary in 4 sentences that help you to remember for more time. So, students, this is all about the collocations. I hope it would be helpful for you. Stay tuned for more videos and thanks for watching.